Alright guys, this is my cell phone Nokia N86 in a box. It's for sale. That's the box itself. This is what you are gonna get. It's a pretty high-end Nokia N86. That's the box I'm gonna give you. When you open the box, that's where the phone actually is placed. It comes with the OVI software and of course the phone itself, people. As you can see, it's a pretty darn good phone. It has a OLED display. As you can see, if I'm twisting it at an angle, you can still see the icons. It's pretty clear. As you can see, the icons and everything is fairly visible. You can go up and down. It has two-way flip. You can flip it left and you can flip it right. Okay, so you can actually dial in a number, just dial in some number and then it starts to actually dial that number for you. It has a very high-end features. First and foremost, it has a dual LED flash, and this is a Carl Zeiss lens. As you can see, you just flip it out, okay, and it's a 8.1 megapixel camera. Okay, so it's got a 8.1 megapixel camera. Open it up and it's pretty bright light. I can show you the LED itself doubles up like a flashlight. See, for example, what I can do is I can actually start to record some stuff here, and then I can show you if the recording is gonna actually work. I can probably go to the camera here. Camera pops up and it's a 8.1 megapixel camera, people. I'm telling you, it's a very high-end camera. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually show you how the LED doubles up like a flashlight. I'm gonna just start the recording here. So what happens is, you see that? See, that's a pretty bright LED, people, and it's almost like a flashlight. You see that? Now in the night time, it works like a flashlight. Like, let's say you were actually lost somewhere and you want to record, or you want to actually see, so it's a pretty good flashlight. As you can see, again, I don't want to show you a lot of my private belongings here, but anyway, what the heck, you can see the light is pretty bright, people, very bright. Okay, you see that? You can probably get some idea how bright the light is. It's blinding bright light, very bright. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop the recording here. So let me just say stop, and I'm just gonna delete, since this was obviously a test. Delete, press yes, and then I'm gonna just exit. It has a built-in Wi-Fi. It has a digital compass. Let me show you the compass feature here. I have actually installed the compass here. By the way, it's got Skype, it's got browser, it's got Garmin Mobile XT GPS. Well, I'm gonna remove that software, but if you actually want it, you can buy it, but it does support the Garmin software. Now that's the compass. Okay, let me just calibrate my compass here, and you gotta just move it a couple of times and then the compass starts to work. You see that? So it's a fairly handy digital compass, just like iPhone. You can actually see the compass is moving. Okay, and like I said, the display is OLED, so that means you look at it at an angle, you got absolutely no problem whatsoever. Pretty bright, nice display. Comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, pretty much loaded. Let me show you YouTube. Click on YouTube, and it actually pops up the YouTube application. Now you can actually see, click on that, and it actually starts to play that. And so that's YouTube, that's playing on that. You can forward it. You can use these buttons to actually forward, and so let me just forward it. See, I'm gonna forward it, buffering, and it starts to play that. Okay. Now if I went to, let's say, search, let me just say I'm searching for, I don't know, Pink Floyd, maybe, or I don't know. Well, you can probably cruise through the YouTube. You see that? You can see all these videos that showed up with that theme, and then you can actually play whichever theme you like. So I'm gonna play Michael Jackson Beat It. It's gonna hopefully start to play that for me on YouTube, and there it goes. Okay, and like I said, I can forward it. You see that red bar? I can forward it to any point that I like. Okay, let's get the volume up. I can increase. There we go. So that's YouTube playing pretty well. Okay. Got two stereo speakers here, right here, and right there. Got two stereo speakers now. Phone itself, as you can see, it's got a very good display. It twisted an angle, you'll still see that. It's got a very good LED display. I'm just gonna stop it. Okay. Well, so that's the phone, people. It's totally loaded. Like I said, you can load up the apps from the OVI store. It's like an app store for Nokia. See that OVI? So that's the app store from Nokia. Nokia has app store just like Apple. Pretty nice phone. Got no marks absolutely whatsoever, people. There is no mark at all. See this right here? That's the lock and unlock button. You can press it down, keypad is locked. You can press it again, keypad is unlocked. That's the volume button right there on the top. This is the camera click button when you take the pictures. This is to move up and down. This is call start, call stop. This is the Nokia system menu. It's got Nokia maps, it's got pictures, it's got pretty much everything that you need. Now with that you will get the adapter. Of course, this is a US and this is a European adapter. You'll also get a very nice original Nokia earbuds. Okay, now it has a FM transmitter, people, which means I can actually play a radio here. For example, I can just take that and I can hook it up in here. It uses this like an antenna. So let's say I wanted to play FM radio. So I can go to music and I can start my FM radio. It's got a radio built in. Starts the radio, hopefully. And see that? That's a FM radio. You can automatic tune it. So that's a phone, people. Got a problem, got a question, let me know. I hope you like it. The whole package comes with it. Thank you so much.